Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. When asked about the concept behind the Geometric Beasts series, each piece is my take on breaking away from societal norms for us to just be who we truly are as unique individuals. I grew up in a community, and probably most people have, where your value as a person is based on various metrics and calculations just for you to qualify in a society that other people dictate you to be in. This measured life deprives us to take risks, to follow our passions and to do what we truly love. I use geometry to symbolize the norms and simply because it's the only math subject I enjoyed at school, lol. I always loved drawing animals and in this case, they represent the concept of unleashing the beast within us, risk-taker, wild and adventurous. What's amazing is the level and detail on both sides of the coin. On the realistic end of the beast, you can see the fine lines on feathers, fur and so on. But on the other side, the deconstructed and almost pixelated side of things, it's still just as recognizable as the same animal. So cool.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.